first video, we created this simple animation. Now we want to animate the whole row. To do that, I have already created a script. In this script, we first of all compiled the whole single cell animation into a single function. So we can play that function for every single cell. Now let's come to the juicy part, or the row or column animation. To do that, first of all get the array. Array will have all the information. If the row has been completed, it will put all the row cell index into this array. Then we have pivot index. Pivot index is the selected cell. And to start the animation, we calculate the distance. What distance? Distance between different cells. This will be our pivot index, but I want the distance between this cell and this cell. And how do we find that? We find that by subtracting the index with pivot index. Our pivot index is 3, our first index is 0. So we subtract 3 from 0, which is the distance between this cell and this cell. We also don't need negative numbers, so we turn that into an absolute value. And now we multiply the animation duration with the distance. That gives us delay. So distance between this cell and this cell is 1. So we multiply 1 to animation duration, which is 0.05, which gives us 0.05. So the animation of this cell will play at 0.05. But this cell, the distance between this cell and this cell is 2. So we multiply 2 into 0.05, which gives us 0.10. So the animation for this cell will play at 0.10 seconds. And then we start the timer. So each time the timer runs out, it will play the animation. So at 0.05 it will play animation, at 0.10 it will play the animation, at 0.15 it will play the animation. That's too much talking, so let's see the preview. I hope it's as good as the talking. So if I enter 8 here, yes, it is. But what about wrong values? Let's leave that to part 3. This game, it's super chill, super relaxed. You can grab it on Play Store, or if you want the whole code, you can get it from GitHub. Just don't forget to give the star.